Yeah, good morning everyone. I am Rohit Gupta, working as assistant professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management in Applied Science. In Applied Science, I am teaching in semester 2, Computer Science and Engineering to course Probability and Statistics. Today's topic questions of some important questions of probability which are asked in previous year examination are important in important for MDU examination or any other university examination also. Okay, now let's start. Suppose a bag contains six white balls and four black balls. Understood? And the second bag, first bag contains six white, four black balls. Second bag contains four white, eight black balls. One bag chosen at random and two balls are drawn from it. Find the probability that one white ball and one is black ball. This is your this is your first bag, this one is your second bag. If I've taken first bag में हमने रखा कि 6 white balls and 4 black balls. Second bag contains 4 white balls and 8 black balls. आपको ऐसा एक बैग बनाना होगा. अंडरस्टूड? अगर आप फिगर बना लोगे तो आपको बार बार कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा किस बैग में कितनी बॉल्स हैं. अंडरस्टूड है? अगर आपको ये जैसे बैग 1 की बात करें तो बैग 1 में यू आर हैविंग 6 white and 4 black balls. तो आपको ऐसे बैग फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेना. Then how many bags are there? 2 bags. Then अगर मुझे एक randomly I want to choose a bag, then there are 50% of chances of selecting either bag first or bag second. आप बैग A और बैग B की जगह बैग फर्स्ट और सेकंड कर लेना. अंडरस्टूड है? क्योंकि हमने ब्लैक बॉल के लिए भी B एक नोटेशन लिया हुआ है, सो दैट बैग A और B की जगह फर्स्ट और सेकंड कर लेना. तो probability of bag A selecting bag A, that is 1 by 2, and probability of selecting bag B, that is 1 by 2. Understood? आप इसे कह सकते हो कि probability of selecting first bag, that is 1 by 2, if there are 2 bags. अगर दो में से एक सिलेक्ट कर रहा है तो how can you find? तो total number of bags 2 हैं और 1 सिलेक्ट करना तो 1 by 2. ओके, अंडरस्टूड है? दो में से एक सिलेक्ट करना 1 by 2, 50% चांस. अच्छा, probability of 1 कितनी क्या निकालना है कि how find 2 balls drawn at random, it find the probability that 1 white balls and 1 black balls. सर ये 1 W और 1 black B होगा. That means 1 white 1 black from bag 1. 1 white 1 black है सर, यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है, B होगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, फ्रॉम बैग 1, दैट इज जो 1 तो अगर बैग फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? 1 by 2. फिर उसमें से एक व्हाइट और एक ब्लैक ले रहा है, तो हाउ मेनी व्हाइट बॉल्स आर देयर? 6 व्हाइट बॉल्स आर देयर. तो हाउ कैन आई चूज? 6C1. 4 ब्लैक, तो 4C1, 4 में से एक ब्लैक अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ बैग कितनी है? दैट इज 6 plus 4, दैट इज 10. तो 10 में से 2 लिया तो 10C2. अंडरस्टूड है? अब सॉल्व कर लेगा तो 1 by 2 इंटू 6C1 को 6 by 5, 6 into 5 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 5 फैक्टोरियल, तो 6 into 4 upon 10 into 9, 2 to cancel, तो 6 into 4 upon 10 into 9, answer will be 4 upon 15. Understood? Now from second bag, अरे if I taken one bag से हमने एक ब्लू बॉल, एक ब्लैक बॉल्स और एक व्हाइट बॉल, तो व्हाइट कितनी है? 4. ब्लू कितनी? सॉरी, व्हाइट कितनी है? 6 है आई थिंक. व्हाइट आपकी 6 है, तो 6 में से एक बॉल चूज करना, दैट इज 6C1. 4 में से एक बॉल 4C1 अपॉन 10C2. अंडरस्टूड है? तो आंसर विल बी 4 by 15. नाउ फ्रॉम बैक टू, if I want to draw 2 balls, one white and one black from bag 2. तो bag 2 सिलेक्ट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? 1 by 2 इनटू, अब बैग 2 तो मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया, अब उसमें से एक व्हाइट और एक ब्लैक निकालनी है. अंडरस्टूड है? तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स कितनी है? दैट आर 8 plus 4, दैट इज 12. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ इवेंट कितना होगा? 12C2. 12C2. अब डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा? हाउ मेनी व्हाइट बॉल्स आर देयर? 4. तो 4 में से एक 4C1. एंड हाउ मेनी ब्लैक बॉल्स आर देयर? 8. तो 8 में से एक 8C1. Understood? Now when we simplifying this one, the answer will be 8 by 33. 3 because 4C1 को 4 लिखेंगे, 8C1 को 8, 4C2 को 12 into 11 upon 2 फैक्टोरियल 10 फैक्टोरियल से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 2 से ये 2 कैंसिल आउट, 4 से ये 12 कैंसिल आउट, तो 3 8, तो 8 by 33. Now one white ball and one black balls drawn from bag 1 or bag 2. If I want to draw one white, means I have to draw 2 balls. Among them one is white and another is black. Understood है? तो अगर आप बताओ मुझे P, because we know that P of A union B equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. Both back exclusive, so both backs are exclusive, not are same. तो probability of A intersection B equals to 0. अरे हमने डिस्कस किया था ना कल कि एक्सक्लूसिव के लिए क्या होता है, दैट इज A intersection B equals to infinity, सॉरी A intersection B is equals to नल होता है, तो probability क्या होगी उसके 0. तो probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B. तो probability of A कितना होगा, that is 4 by 15. probability of B कितना होगा, that is 8 by 33. Then we add this one, then after simplifying 28 by 55. Understood? Now another one is axioms of probability. Let S be a sample space A and B, two mutually exclusive event. If A, B are mutually exclusive event, then probability of A is lie between 0 to 1 and B is also lie between 0 to 1. And on a sample space, probability of S is equals to 1, and third one is probability of A union B equals to probability of A plus probability of B. That's it. If A1, A2, AN are mutually exclusive event, then probability of A1 union A2 union A3, that does say union AN is equals to probability of A1 plus probability of A2 plus probability of AN. It's probability of union of I equals to 1 to N PI is AI is equals to summation of PAI. Understood? If ABC are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event, just one thing, if two events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, this is the concept. If A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, that means if it's a sample space, I have taken a two sets A and B. If A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, that means exclusive का मतलब that means A intersection B is equals to 5. But अगर exhaustive है, that means A union B equals to S. मीन्स अगर दो सेट, अगर मैंने उसके सबसेट्स हैं, अगर ए बी आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड म्यूचुअली एग्जॉस्टिव ओनली, तो ए यूनियन बी इक्वल्स टू एस होगा. अच्छा आप बताओ, इफ ए यूनियन बी इक्वल्स टू एस, वी नो दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एस. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एस इक्वल्स टू 1, दैट मींस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी इक्वल्स टू 1. How can I pay probability of A plus probability of B? Because it's a mutually exclusive also. So then probability of A intersection B equals to 0. That means probability of A union B equals to probability of A plus probability of B equals to 1. If suppose अगर आपको समझ में नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. If A B are mutually exclusive, तो क्या होगा? A union B, probability of A union B equal to PA plus PB. अच्छा एक चीज, अगर if anybody asks mutually exhaustive, that means if two sets A B, understood, the probability of A, two sets are exhaustive, that means probability of A union B equals to 1 equals to 1. Suppose there is a question, if ABC are mutually exclusive and exhaustive associated with a random experiment, with a random experiment, probability of B is equals to 0.6 probability of A. B की probability क्या है? 0.6 PA. C की probability क्या है? 0.2 PA. That means if I want to find the probability of A, find the probability of A, because we know that mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive event, then probability of A union B union C is equals to 1. If mutually exhaustive event, so mutually exclusive event, that means A probability of A intersection B intersection C equals to 0. Probability of all intersections are 0. That means A union B union C equals to PA plus PB plus PC. अगर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव और एग्जॉस्टिव हैं तो A union B union C की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 1. That means PA plus PB plus PC की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 1. PA because we know that the value of PB equals to 0.6 PA, and put the value 0.6 PA, and PC equal to 0.2 PA, then answer will be 0, because 1 plus 0.6 plus 0.2, that is 1.8 PA. Then probability of A is equals to 1 by 1.8. That means answer will be 5 by 9. Understood? Now I have the value of probability PA, तो हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं PB, because PB is equals to 0.6 PA and PC equals to 0.2 PA. तो PB equals to 0.6 into 5 upon 9. तो PB equals to 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. PC is equals to 0.2 up into 5 upon 9, that is 1 by 9. The probability that at least one event A and B occur is 0.8, and the probability occur both the event simultaneously 0.25. If the probability that at least one event A or B, A and B occur is 0.5, means probability of A union B. If any questions में अगर और है या at least है, that means A union B equals to 0.8. Find the probability occur both the events simultaneously, that means probability of A intersection B equal to 0.525. Then आपको निकालना है value probability of A complement plus probability of B complement. Understood? Let A, B are two events. The probability of A union B equals to 0.8. P A intersection B equals to 0.25. A union B equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So 0.8 equals to PA plus PB minus 0.25. So PA plus PB equal to 1.05. So PA complement equals to 1 minus probability of A. B complement equals to 1 minus PB. So PA plus PB minus this. So what when we adding both one, then 2 minus PA minus PB. Because when we adding both these two, because हमको वैल्यू किसकी चाहिए, P of A complement plus P of B complement. When we add both, तो क्या मिलेगा 1 minus PA, 1 plus 1 2 minus PA minus PB is equals to 1 minus 2 minus P of A plus P of B. Then PA plus PB की वैल्यू कितनी है, that is 1.05. तो 2 minus 1.05, then answer will be 0.95. Now the value of PA complement plus PB complement is equals to 0.95. Understood? Now, question. Another question. A bag contains 6 red and 5 blue balls. A bag contains 6 red and 5 blue balls. And another bag contains 5 red and 8 blue balls. A ball is drawn from the first bag and without seeing its color put into second bag. Then a ball drawn from second bag. Find the probability that drawn ball will be blue. Understood? Means क्या करना है? If you are having a two bag, first bag है, first bag में 6 red 5 blue balls है, दूसरा bag है 5 red 8 blue balls है. Understood? First bag से एक ball draw करनी है और उसको without seeing a color put into bag 2. If we put into bag 2, तो हमें एक ball draw करनी है और find the probability that drawn ball will be blue. किस कलर में होनी चाहिए? That are in blue color. Understood? Now, solution. If we are taking two bags, bag 1 and bag 2, how many bag 1 contain 5 blue balls, 5 blue balls is denoted by B, blue balls, 6 red balls, so 6 red balls, the total number of balls will be 11, and second bag contains 8 blue balls and 5 red balls. Understood? Then we draw a ball from bag 1 and put into bag 2, then we draw another ball from bag 2 and find the probability that drawn ball will be blue. Understood? Okay. Now case 1, पहले क्या होगा, अगर मैंने फर्स्ट बैग से एक बॉल ड्रॉ करी, बैग से बॉल ड्रॉ करी, तो ये तो होगा या तो ब्लैक हो, सॉरी ब्लू होगी, या तो क्या होगा, रेड होगा, आइदर ब्लू और रेड. अंडरस्टूड? ठीक. देन केस 1, फर्स्ट बॉल रेड विल बी ड्रॉन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट बैग. पहले एक बॉल ड्रॉ करेंगे, दैट विल बी रेड, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट बैग, अरे रेड की ड्रॉ करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी 6/11, 6/11, और उसको मैं पुट करूंगा बैग 2 में, put into bag 2. When we put into bag 2, then bag 2 contains 8 blue balls and 5 red balls. When you put a bag, put a red ball in bag 2, then total number of balls are in bag, red balls in bag 2, that is 6, and blue balls are 8. Then अगर मुझे सेकंड बॉक्स से एक बॉल ड्रॉ करनी है, दैट मींस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लू बॉल्स चाहिए, दैट मींस प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी होगी 8/14. फर्स्ट इवेंट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवन, अंडरस्टूड है, मींस पहला क्या करना है कि दैट मींस पहला की फर्स्ट बॉल फर्स्ट से रेड जाए एंड सेकंड से ब्लू आए, तो उसके लिए क्या होगी, दो वो था इंडिपेंडेंट, देन क्या हो जाएगा 8 बाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेड इंटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लू, दैट इज 8/14 प्लस इंटू 6/11, तो आंसर कितना आएगा 24/154. नाउ केस 2, पहले केस में हो गया कि आई हैव ड्रॉन अ फर्स्ट बॉल, वन बॉल दैट इज रेड बॉल, मींस एक बॉल जो हमने बैग फर्स्ट बैग से ड्रॉ करी दैट विल बी योर रेड बॉल. दूसरा हो सकता है कि इसकी मैं पहले बैग से एक बॉल जब ड्रॉ करूं दैट विल बी योर ब्लू बॉल, अंडरस्टूड है. अगर ब्लू बॉल है दैट मींस ब्लू बॉल ड्रॉन फ्रॉम बैग 1, देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लू इज इक्वल टू 5/11. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लू फ्रॉम बैग 2, अच्छा अगर मैंने इसमें ब्लू बॉल पुट कर दी, suppose that I have put a blue ball in bag 2, so how many blue balls are there, 8, so one ball added, that means 9 balls total, then probability of blue balls from bag 2, that is 9/14. Now probability of E2 is equals to probability of B1 into probability of B2, that means first bag से भी blue निकले, second bag से भी blue, तो 5/11, 9/14, that is 45/154. Now probability of either case 1 or case 2, that means probability of E1 plus probability of E2. The probability of E1 is equals to 48/154 and probability of E2, that is 45/154. Then 45 plus 48, 93/154. Understood? Now prove the Boole's inequality. Probability of union I equals to 1 to m ai is less or equals to summation of probability of ai, summation of pi. For I equals to 1, probability of ai is a1 is less or equals to probability of a1 then 2 for I equals to 1. For I equals to 2, probability of a1 union a2 is less or equals to probability of a1 plus probability of a2. Now suppose that this can be true for I equal to r also, that means probability of I equals to 1 to r, probability of ai, probability of union of I equals to 1 to r ai is less or equal to probability of a1 pa1 pa2 pa3 that is par, which can be written as summation of I equals to 1 to r p of ai. Now prove that this can be true for I equal to r plus 1 also, and from LHS then I equals to 1 to r plus 1 ai, which can be written as probability of union of I equal to 1 to r ai union probability of ar plus 1, because we know that this is equals to probability of union I equals to 1 to r ai, because a union b का फॉर्मूला है, तो pa plus pb minus pa intersection b, that means this is a less or equal to this one. अरे सिंपल है, अगर pa union b है तो pa union b को क्या लिखते हैं, p of a pa plus pb minus pa intersection b. अगर pa intersection b को ना लिखे, that means pa plus pb is greater or equal to this one, that means it can be written as p of a union of I equals to 1 to r ai plus p of ar plus 1. Now probability of union equals to union I equals to 1 to r can be written as pa1 pa2 that is par plus 1. Then summation of less or equals to summation of I equals to 1 to r p of ai plus p of ar plus 1. Now this is true. Now some questions. A bag contain 5 white, 7 red balls. This is for your Okay, these question for your exercise means आपको ये क्वेश्चन करने, इनका सॉल्यूशन आप मेरी मेल आईडी पे सेंड कर देना, then I will check. Okay, a bag contains 5 white, 7 red balls, 8 black balls. If 4 balls are drawn at random, one by one, with the replacement, what is the probability that at least one is white? Understood? Now, another question. A bag contains 8 red balls, 12 white balls, and 2 blue balls. Understood? Sorry, 8 red balls, 12 white balls. 2 balls are drawn at random simultaneously. What is the probability? One red and one is white. Okay. In this topic, in this lecture, we have discussed mutually exclusive, mutually exhaustive, and mutually exclusive plus exhaustive equation, mutually exclusive and plus mutually exhaustive questions and concept. And in this topic, we have discussed one thing is proof of Boole's theorem. Understood? Okay. एंड प्लीज ये क्वेश्चंस आप कम से कम एक या दो बार ट्राई कर लें, अदरवाइज ये क्वेश्चंस मिस्टेक, इट्स बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रोबेबिलिटी, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी में गलत होने के चांसेस बहुत सारे होते हैं, तो आपको थोड़ा सा अच्छे से पढ़ना होगा, देन आपके प्रोबेबिलिटी के क्वेश्चंस अच्छे होंगे. ओके, देन ओके, देन थैंक यू सो मच.